So, hello sir. This is my project. Emotion detection with emoji and sound in real-time webcam feed. So, for the introduction, the emotion detection is crucial in applications like human-computer interaction, surveillance, and healthcare. In this project, we explore a real-time emotion detection system based on facial expressions, displaying an emoji and playing corresponding sounds. So for the objectives of this project is to detect the emotions from facial expressions in real time using a webcam only, which is we are going to code in using Python. And for the objective 2, we have the overlay corresponding emojis on the user's face, which is going to be put on the subject, and once the emotion is detected, the emoji will be placed into their faces depending on what emotion they are dealing with. So for the objective 3, play a sound corresponding to each detected emotion. So that is what I added, which is once the webcam detected that you are sad, a sad music will play. For the objective 4, create an interactive and user-friendly system for real-time emotional feedback. So for the methodology, we have the system utilizes deep learning models, particularly CNN, to classify 7 emotions from facial expressions, which is the emotion model detection that I use in order for me to get a certain data set. So next is the key steps include data collection and pre-processing, model training, real-time face detection, emotion prediction, emoji overlay, and sound playback. So for the key methods, we have the emotion detection model, pre-trained CNN model based on the FER 2013 dataset. Face detection, OpenCB's HAR Cascade classifier for detecting faces in webcam feed. And for the sound integration, we used Pygame for playing unique sounds based on the emotions. So for the emoji overlay, overlays resized emoji images on the user's face based on the predicted emotion. So for the key differences and improvements, compared to the previous works based on Hack into 2017, the system integrates multimodal feedback, combining visual emoji and auditory sound responses. Next is the improvement over adds real-time sound feedback, which enhance the user interaction and emotional engagement. This project is novel in combining deep learning with both real-time emoji overlays and sound feedback in an interactive interface. So for the challenges in this project, I can say that lighting is one of the major factor. Low light conditions can reduce the system's performance, and it can be really inaccurate in detecting the emotions. Next is subtle emotions. Detecting emotions like fear and disgust is also challenging due to small facial expressions differences. Next one is the real-time processing. Achieving fast processing while maintaining accuracy was one of the most difficult aspects of this project. So for the results, emotion detection accuracy range between 85 to 90%, consistent with prior research. Then real-time performance is 20 to 25 frame rates per second, allowing smooth interaction under normal conditions. Emoji overlays and sound feedbacks were respectful in providing an engaging interactive user experience. So for the analysis and discussion, the model performed well in typical conditions but struggled with low light and partial phase obstructions. Users' feedback was overwhelmingly positive regarding the novelty and fun of the system. However, there is a room for improvement, particularly in face tracking and performance under varied lighting conditions. So for the conclusion, The project successfully implemented a real-time motion detection system with the emoji and the sound feedback. Future improvements include enhancing face tracking and expanding the emotion categories for a more dynamic user's experience. So, for my references, which is the study of Hack in 2017, the facial emotion recognition using deep learning. And next is Lee in 2020, the multimodal emotion recognition from detection to interaction, IEE transactions on affective computing. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you. So for the testing of my project, we can see that in our emotion that is being detected, some some emotions are being shown based on your facial expressions. So once it is detected, a certain emoji is being presented, and there is a sound feedback on which what emotion is being used or being connected to your emotions. So when you're being sad, a sad song is being played. For example, like this. And when you're happy, it's like this. So that's one of the challenges of my project, which the low light condition really differs, and that is why it is not that really accurate, but however, it really performs well, especially when there is a good light condition. So that's all for my testing.